Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. In today's video, topic is how to get fluency in English language. Everyone wants to speak fluent English, but one has no idea where to begin. Trust me, you are not the only one. I have been there too. The good news is fluency doesn't mean using big, difficult words. It's all about being confident, clear, and consistent. So in today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide to help you to become fluent in English, no matter what level you are right now, whether beginners or immediate. So first, let's understand what fluency really means. Okay, so we'll understand what is called fluency. Let me make one thing very clear. Fluency isn't about speaking fast or sound fancy like other people understand that fluency means you need to speak very fast and use advanced word. No, it's simply about being able to talk comfortably without long pauses or searching for words. So instead of worrying about perfect grammar or pronunciation, focus on being able to communicate your thoughts clearly. Even native speakers make mistakes, so don't stress too much about perfection. Now, what is the next step to become fluent in English? Building a daily English routine. Okay, that is the next step. So now the big question, how do you start practicing English daily? Well, it's easier than you think. Start your day by reading a short article in English or watch a quick video like this one. Okay, and this in the evening, try speaking for 15 minutes about how your day went. Even if you are alone, speak out loudly. Over time, increase it till 30 to 40 minutes. And here's a tip. Try to think in English. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing and how was the day and where have you been. If you have any particular topic, you can think and try to speak regarding that. And let's talk about what is the next step. So what next step is? Listen more, speak more. Listening is just as important as speaking. Watch English YouTube videos, listen to podcasts or audiobooks with subtitles at first. It might feel weird at first, but it's super effective for training your brain to think and speak in English. And next step is to learn phrases, not just words. Instead of learning just simple words, start learning full phrases you can actually use. Like, don't just learn opinion, learn how to say in my opinion or I think that. These small phrases will make your speech smoother and faster. Plus, you won't have to build every sentence from scratch. Next step is to practice with real people. Practice makes progress, and best practice is speaking with real people. Find a speaking partner, maybe online or in your area. There are lots of apps and Facebook groups too. And please don't be afraid of making mistakes. That's how you grow. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. And very important tip for you, that record yourself. This one helped me a lot. Record your voice daily. Pick a topic, favorite movie, a recent memory, anything, and talk about it in English. Then play it back and listen. And are you clear? Are you repeating the same words? Are you using any fumble words like or like too much? This helps you self-correct without any pressure. Next step is to be patient and enjoy the process. Look, fluency don't come overnight, but if you stay consistent, just 15 to 30 minutes a day, you'll see big changes in 3 to 6 months. Celebrate the small wins. If you introduced yourself confidently today or had a short chat with someone in English, that's a big step. Enjoy the process. You are doing great. Last not the least, always remember, fluency isn't a talent, it's a habit. And if you follow these simple steps, you will get fluent in English. So if this video helped you even a little bit, hit that like button, share it with someone learning English, and don't forget to subscribe to English with Tej for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. And so that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching till now. Please share, like, subscribe the video.